Hi, we are Team Never Gonna Give You Up. This semester, we worked on a project that focuses on measuring resilience amongst college students. Resilience is an individual's ability to bounce back despite facing adversity. The more resilient an individual becomes, the more likely they are to have successful outcomes. Throughout this study, we aim to address the following research questions. Is there a way to calculate or estimate a student's ability to be resilient by using A, their current status, such as their major, age, and travel experience, B, their personal introspective outlook on problems in life, and C, a universal, increasingly difficult task? After literature review and study design, we developed the following hypothesis. College students who are studying a science-related field will not give up on as many words as students in the arts field. Hypothesis 2 is college students who are in their graduate studies overall will give up on less words than college students who are in their undergraduate degree. There exists a negative correlation between number of years spent in college and an increase in the number of words the students gave up on. And the hypothesis 3 is college students with more international experience will give up on less words than those who have not been outside of their national country. The first part of the study is a self-report survey that measures concrete factors such as arts and science, undergraduate versus graduate, domestic versus internationals, and time spent abroad. Then we measured individual interpersonal factors on the Likert scale. We chose 10 interpersonal factors from Connor Daverson Resilience Scale and used this in conjunction with Angela Duckworth's Grit Scale. The second part of the study includes a universal task, a word search puzzle, that gets harder over time. There were 5 puzzles. A student has the ability to skip a word, skip a puzzle, or end the study altogether. Participants were asked to find the words in the puzzle. However, some of the words were missing, and the participants were unaware that we were taking down time as they found each word. We used the following performance measures: whether the person chose to give up on a puzzle or word in conjunction with the time it took for them to give up, the number of words that the participant found in each puzzle, and the number of times a person believes a word doesn't exist in conjunction with the time it took. We performed a t-test and found the following results. Results showed that there was a slight increase in resilience and effort with graduate students and international students. Other results were inclusive, though correlation graph displays some supportive trends. These two graphs depict the correlation between self-reported resilience and grit score total against our calculated resilience score for the highest confidence category of education. One of the most interesting results is that graduate students with higher self-report results often lead to higher calculated resilience scores on our system. Despite a lack of statistically significant results due to our small sample size, we still believe our tool has the potential to objectively measure resilience scores without depending on self-report data that often contain biases. In the future, we would like to make significant refinements to our study. First, we would ensure that participants take the survey after completion of the word search puzzles to decrease the amount of biases. Next, we would like to limit the amount of time given to complete a puzzle to increase the difficulty of puzzles. And lastly, we would ensure that there is a more stable database to make sure that we can gather enough data to effectively calculate resilience. This concludes our work. Thank you.